Hello, everyone. Welcome to King English class.
Today we will learn vocabulary starting with E. Let's get started. E. Eagle. Eagle. The eagle is flying high. E. Elephant. Elephant. The elephant is very big. E. 8. 8. I have 8 pencils. E. Elbow. Elbow. He hurt his elbow. E. Egg. Egg. The hen lays eggs. E. Earth. Earth. The earth goes around the sun. E. Ear. Ear. She whispered in my ear. E. Exercise. Exercise. I do exercise every morning. E. Evening. Evening. We walk in the evening. E. Equal. Equal. 2 plus 2 equals 4. E. Eat. Eat. We eat rice every day. E. Electric. Electric. The room has electric lights. E. Elevato. Elevato. We took the elevator to the 10th floor. E. Early. Early. I wake up early every day. E. Exakt. Exakt. Tell me the exact time. E. Enjoy. Enjoy. I enjoy reading books. E. Echo. Echo. His voice made an echo in the cave. E. Energy. Energy. We need energy to work. E. Engine. Engine. The car engine is very strong. E. Escape. Escape. The bird escaped from the cage. E. Enter. Enter. Please enter the room. E. Event. Event. The event was successful. E. Every. I go to school every day. E. Everyone. Everyone is happy. E. Either. You can choose either red or blue. E. Elder. My elder sister is kind. E. Else. Do you want anything else? E. End. The movie has a happy end. E. Empty. The box is empty. E. Easy. This homework is easy.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.